Quick Crypto, bringing you quick Casper news. Congress, the United States government, are continuing to make aggressive developments in the crypto space, which is incredibly bullish for both crypto and, of course, for Casper. Not to mention that the SEC has just been served a huge penalty fine. But better still, we have huge KRC20 updates, Rust updates from the lead developers, and so much more. Indicators are signaling an imminent Kaspa breakout and another new all-time high on the horizon. We can see here from the updated Kaspa heat map, the risk to investment into Kaspa right now is at 0.39, this blue area around here. It is very low, and with all the developments and catalysts that I'm about to show you, there's a strong belief that in the next couple of weeks or months, maybe even the next couple of days, we will see this bluish color change to more green or even potentially yellow, indicating that we are going to see a very big Kaspa explosion very shortly. One of the catalysts here being from the watch ago, this just in, the US judge has ordered the SEC to pay $1.8 million in damages for abusing its power against crypto company Debtbox. This is a very big deal, signaling the continuing downfall of the SEC and liberating crypto to soar in value. But not as much as this announcement is here from Ash Crypto. Incredibly bullish breaking announcement. The US Treasury will initiate a buyback program from May 29th, being today. About $2 billion will flow into the economy every single week. Fresh liquidity will enter the market, which is hugely bullish for crypto, for Bitcoin, and of course that of Casper as well. It is only up from here, with Bitcoin currently sitting at around $67,000, $68,000. It won't be long until we see another new all-time high, potentially a 100k Bitcoin or even more. And in my personal opinion, of course it's not financial advice, please always do your own research, but I believe that Casper will be one of the biggest earners in the upcoming days, weeks and months, riding this Bitcoin wave better than the rest of the projects. One of the biggest reasons why I believe this comes from one of Casper lead developers, Michael Sutton. He posted just a few hours ago now. Casper 10 BPS on the testnet 11 is looking quite beautiful now. I think the DAG structure is a better reflection of how 10 BPS will look on the mainnet. So 10 BPS is coming to the mainnet very soon. The testnet 11 node I'm maintaining has 25 peers now and only 5% hash rate, which is better approximation to mainnet P2P networks. It's a very colossal announcement. So it's already great to see, but what's even more exciting is that he also posted a small teaser for a post expected sometime this week. Casper Technology Spotlight, Schrodinger block in its relation to smooth high BPS P2P. So as you've just seen, as I've confirmed numerous times in the past, 10 BPS is already here, and it won't be long until we see all the hard work that devs been putting into accessible to everyone, to all on the mainnet. 10 BPS coming to the mainnet. Furthermore, it's not far off. As I mentioned, we can see here again from Michael Sutton that the Rust migration, the updated Rust migration, is now at 82.64%. It is almost fully at 100%, which is a massive deal. We're almost there, and once we have fully migrated onto the superior protocol, onto Rusty Casper, the 10 BPS from the testnet can start being implemented onto the mainnet, onto Rusty Casper. And furthermore, this is when we will likely see numerous exchange listings, more catalysts, therefore potentially the tier 1 exchanges coming to Casper to list Casper. Now before I clarify why I believe this, let me provide you with another main reason as to why exchanges will be coming to Casper very soon. For one, the Cplex white paper has now been officially released, which is good news, but more importantly, the Cplex closed beta is now officially live, which is actually massive news. We can see here from the Casper enthusiast below, you'll find a list of projects that want to launch on Casper as soon as KRC20 allows it. You got your Toshi, Casper Cats, Castor, Casper, Funsun, and Nature the Cat. This closed beta, keep in mind, has only just been live for, well, a few days now, more or less, but at the time of this post here, it was only live for a few hours. And as we can see, over 100 tokens have already been launched for testing, which is massive Massive bullish news for Casper. It gives you a feeling of what's to come with KRC20 at Casper. We even have meme coins incoming on Casper, and right now we should know that they are all the hype. They are making a lot of people a lot of money very quickly. Explosive gains for traders. Still, in my opinion, the most risky asset of the crypto market, but if done correctly, if done smartly, one of the best short-term money makers. And in the words of Elperor here, he thinks meme coins on Casper's KRC20 will be different and unique. You got Nacho Wybroski is a meme coin inspired by Shy, one of Casper lead developers, Cats, Nacho, and is planned to launch on Cplex KRC20 once it's on the mainnet. And as indicated on their website, this meme coin will actually be fair launch, no pre-sale, no pre-allocation. Very interesting news. So it is officially all coming together now. Everything that we've been hearing coming to life to become the ultimate crypto project to fulfill Satoshi Nakamoto's original vision. Michael Sutton posted again. Just got off a really pleasant Kas Core dev meeting to kick off the planning and effort towards mainnet high BPS again, going back to 10 BPS coming onto the mainnet very soon, and to go even further beyond 32, 100 even. Agenda included things that must be perfected on the testnet first as a prerequisite, and then the KIPs that require implementation and design thoughts can gradually consist as forking logic. So the next huge milestone is almost upon us. I remember when I first started making videos, hell, even before that, because I've been following Casper since it was at 2 cents. I remember the days when people were saying that smart contracts would never happen on Casper, and Casper was just a FUD. It was fake, a boring proof of work that can never adhere to Bitcoin, to what Bitcoin has been doing. But they were wrong. And these two major catalysts, Rust and KRC20, are why exchanges will want to list Casper very soon. Why we'll see Casper's price surge in value. Rust, as you should know now, is a hard fork, hence it is a somewhat risky period of time where the foundation layer of the project is undergoing changes. These changes can leave them susceptible to risks like hacking or errors in their code they didn't predict before coming. So no exchange is going to want to make those risks when it's happening. And they won't want to go through the process of making this hard fork either. It is just tedious for them. So it's better for them to just wait until it's done to make the risk and tedious task not a factor for them anymore. Now, considering that Casper, as we should all know, is one of the biggest earners following in the steps of Bitcoin, one of the only projects to drastically increase in price, surviving the worst bear market in crypto history, the fact that Casper keeps developing and is still a long way from completion, the fact that KRC20 is around the corner, the value of Casper will increase as its use cases continue to increase as well. Its value will increase as well, and therefore exchanges will want to capitalize on the profit they could make before Casper surges. And for the fuzzsters, the Casper haters wondering why this hasn't happened yet, well, again, there's a hard fork going on I just mentioned, but again, Casper is a fair launch, proof of work, no pre-allocations to the miners or developers, meaning there is no money for the founders. This is all community funded. The devs can't pay the exchange listings to list Casper on their website, so like the majority of other crypto projects do, they have to just wait. They have to just keep developing, keep on building, and eventually these tier ones, the Binances, the Coinbases, the Krakens, the Geminis, they will come. They will wise up and they will come to approach Casper, and Casper's price will soar in value. I mean, just take a quick look here at the speed in which Casper is already operating at. Again, 10 BPS is not here just yet. Right now it's sending over 140 million Casper worth $18.3 million in just 0.68 seconds, costing a transaction cost of $0.0001. And that's a proof of work cryptocurrency. Casper is one of the fastest and cheapest, and it's a proof of work no less. Truly one of a kind, unique, that is destined to soar so much higher. Especially as Casper's hash rate will continue to increase and scale because of Rust, yes, mainly, but also because more miners, better quality miners, are being developed. We can see here, this one is the KA Box Pro that came out 2 days ago or so. We are at the point already where what's holding Casper back is not their protocols or their software, but it's their hardware, the quality of these miners, which is an insane accomplishment already. Big things are coming for Casper in the very near future, a couple of weeks from now, potentially a few months, or potentially the next couple of days. Much sooner than you think, and Casper will have an extremely violent breakout. There's a common reoccurrence we can see in this image right here with Casper's hash rate graph. As history has shown, when the hash rate crosses the corresponding price, it always results in an explosion in the price as well. And we can see here the hash rate has been continuing to rise, but the price hasn't risen yet. Therefore, once the signal has been given for Casper to start surging to break out in price, it will have to catch up, and it will go absolutely parabolic to catch up to the hash rate, and this is still just the beginning. There has never been a time to be more bullish into crypto as a whole, but especially into Casper. A breakout on the horizon, and I strongly believe that. So much so that I'm in the process right now of creating a free community Discord server for like-minded individuals, for people like yourself who don't think emotionally, who think logically, and want a space to interact, a safe space to interact and help grow together your portfolios, your money, just a place to interact, for hidden gem crypto projects to frequently trade, to just have people to interconnect with. This right now is a pivotal moment in the crypto space, and also for Casper development. There's a lot of money to be made, so that is why, by all means, when this community Discord is ready, by all means come and join the family, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't be emotional, be logical.